girls. This is Mr. Gary from Sustainability of the Girls Incorporated in Sarasota. I know you've probably been indoors quite a bit, and we all like to get outdoors and enjoy ourselves. So today we're going to plant some Gladiolus. So these are the flowers that we're talking about. They come up on a stem. They can be planted indoors or outdoors. In cold places, they have to dig them up every winter and put them in storage and take them out. But in Florida here, we can leave them in all year round. So they come in different colors as shown on the covers there. And if you don't have room, we are going to send you a pot, just like we did with the tomato plants. The pot has holes in the bottom for drainage. So make sure that you water it, take it outside. Don't make a mess with it. But the way it works is we're also sending your soil in the bag and the bulbs. So you put a little bit of soil in the bottom of the pot, like that. The bulbs have a right side, upside and a downside. This one has started to sprout. That's the top. The bottom has the little navel, like it goes down in the soil like that, and then you cover it up about 3 to 4 inches. The next step is to water it. Water it real good. You'll see the water start coming out of the bottom. And you'll need to water this about every other day or every third day. It'll start coming up as a spike, and in about 2 weeks, hopefully, or a little later, you'll have these big things here, and then it'll come up with a bloom spike just like this one or this one. I don't know what color you may get. We're going to separate or make them assorted, so you probably get 1 or maybe 2 colors, and let them grow so they can be out in partial sun or in shade. They don't do very well indoors. Okay, so have fun with it, and I'll talk to you later. So goodbye for now.